be with you, dear Father. And this is only one of the 7 days in a week's time, dear Father, you are spending, dear Father. We also know there are other activities sa BCBP na nakahinder sa uba na mong namong plano. But this is important, necessary, dear Father. Many great people, many wealthy people have amassed so much wealth, dear Father, and no one could be pinpointed by anyone that one has left this world bringing a lot of good things, wealthy, jewelry, and money stashed from his long work of having them